cute. I like got it. Hello, good morning. On holiday today, my sister decided to visit me. It's not funny. Always disturbing every month. Menstruation. I don't like it. Which girl likes menstruation? No. Today is Tuesday. I don't know. I woke up this morning. I don't feel like doing anything at all. And I really don't feel like. And yesterday, it was raining seriously here in Huye. I don't know. Anytime I wash my clothes, that's when it will start raining. I think I need to go and ask my parents if what kind of god did my ancestors worshipped, if they were worshipping the goddess of rain, because I just don't understand. It's when I pick up my clothes to wash and it starts raining. So what are we going to do this morning? Okay, we'll start with a haul. Yeah, the stuffs last week I couldn't get, so I got it. Yeah, this on Sunday. I got it on Sunday. Yeah, last week Sunday I got it. So we'll just do a haul. First is this person nails, which I'm putting on. They're so cute. I like them so much. I don't know if you could see them. The nails are so beautiful. So for this person, even yesterday when I went to market, I got kits for doing my nails. Yeah, I bought them. I was like, this year I want to be taking care of myself. And to take care of yourself, if you don't have the money, what do? You invest in DIY. Do it yourself. So I got this thing. So yesterday, this is the first time. Like yesterday, I was so proud of myself when I fixed this nail. This is my first person nail, and I did it myself. See, and it came out so good. So I was even thinking that I'm going to have like glows everywhere on my fingers, but no, it came out so good. So I got this kit. So I will order some press-on nails, which I'll be doing. Yeah. So the next thing is this ring. Oh goodness, fixing nails for the first is so stressful. So the next one is this ring I bought. Oh, they're so beautiful. From AliExpress. These ones are beaded ones. Oh, where are you going to? Oh, where are you going to? Try them on and they fit so well. Just fell down. Oh god. I have a blouse that has this color, and I love this one so much. It was because of this one I even got the ring. I love it so much. So this eyeshadow. Look at it, just good. I love this one so much. From no negotiation. I love this one so much. Like it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This side is. the last. This one is more lighter, so it can be used like as a base for the you know on it. The next thing I got was a necklace. It's so difficult. This is so cute and it's so cheap, and you don't have to wait until you get expensive stuff to look good. And I got this one for just, it's not even up to $1. You don't have to wait until you get, sorry, you don't have to, you don't always have to get expensive things, or you don't have to have expensive things for you to look good. This one looks so good. Yeah, I got these sparkles for nails because I've used to be doing nail art, so I'm just investing on nails now. I'm investing on nails. Yeah, lastly, no, not lastly, this, I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. So I hope you're not doing what you order versus what you order is not what you get, because I can't remember ordering something like this and I'm getting it. So yesterday I went to the market. I got coconut oil for my skin, my forever body cream, this Vaseline lotion. I don't know why. Is it just me? Men stuff, men things kind of. Does it? Would I say it looks good or smells good? They're mostly female stuff. So this is my cream that I've been using for a very long time. Conditioner to make your clothes smells good. So if you are someone who doesn't like perfume or you're allergic to perfume, it's better you go for this fabric conditioner. This one smells so good. Smells floral. Take me to the moon. Whoever wrote the mini verse, write it in the comment section. So it smells so good. I highly recommend. If you're home, so today I don't feel like doing anything. I just feel like staying in bed. So what I'm gonna do now is brush my teeth, take a shower, and then after that, let's see what we can do, because baby girl, I'm not feeling myself today. And at that time of the morning, I'm gonna say this. Pimples. Go. Being a woman is difficult. I don't know if it's just me. So if you haven't subscribed and you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and also share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you. Yeah, I still use white powder. There are reasons why I don't use foundation. One, I don't even know which one is my shade, and secondly, I don't like how it makes it feel sticky on my face. I don't like that feeling. So that is why I don't use it. God, I've been sleeping. Yes, I've been in so much pain, and I just decided to make porridge. Yeah, let me take like something hot. It is going to help me reduce the pain. So, what I'm making. No, I didn't.